This video clip explains how to use 3D cutting planes in the 3D window. Let's open the 3D window and activate the 3D Cutaway option in the standard toolbar. Please notice that the cut plane handles or tabs appear along the four sides of the 3D window. If we hover the mouse over the handles, the preview of the 3D cut planes is highlighted in the 3D window. As soon as we click any of the handles, the 3D model bounding box will be displayed. The predefined orthogonal cut planes will cut the building model parallel with the planes of the bounding box. Let's click the upper handle to create and move the cut plane downwards while holding down the mouse button. Once the cut plane reaches its desired position, release the mouse and notice that the Finalize Floating command appears. By clicking the Finalize option, we can create a 3D cutaway at the given position. We can use the Smart Cursor to snap to the edges or nodes of 3D elements in 3D and use these points to define the position of the cut plane. This can be useful if we'd like to create a 3D cut plane through a given point or through a specific structural grid line. In certain cases, it might be hard to move the cut plane and snap to the edges or nodes at the same time. ArchiCAD provides help to ease the positioning of 3D cut planes. Let's start dragging the cut plane and then press the Shift key on the keyboard. This will temporarily move and fix the 3D cut plane next to the building model. Meanwhile, we can use the mouse and find the most appropriate element edge or node with the help of the Smart Cursor in 3D. Finally, we can release first the mouse button, and then release the Shift key to finalize the cut plane at the given location. 3D cut planes can also be defined from the building interior in 3D. Here you can see how to define a 3D cutaway while being inside a room of the building project. We'll start by defining a horizontal 3D cut plane. Then we'll continue and create another vertical cut plane as well. "3D cut planes greatly helps the everyday work of architects. They help to display only the relevant parts of the project, and they can also help to identify design inconsistencies. 3D cut planes can also help with the understanding of design intent and can support client presentations as well. Please note that the 3D cut planes can also be stored with the project view sets. And here are displayed some saved 3D views using the Navigator view map. Each view uses different cut planes to present a part of the building project.